name's Izzy Cook, Marketing Executive at Timloc Building Products. Today's product spotlight is the lap vent by Timloc. The lap vent is an easy-to-install refurbishment ventilator designed to improve the flow of fresh air in existing roof spaces. This makes the lap vent effective as a remedial solution for combating condensation in cold roof voids. As outside temperatures drop in autumn and winter, well-insulated houses can often find a build-up of condensation on the roof felt in the loft. This is due to the extreme contrast in internal and external temperatures and the lack of ventilation in the roof space. To help combat this common issue, installing lap vents is a simple and efficient solution. Each lap vent provides 3,000 mm² of free airflow by separating the lap joint in the roof felt and is suitable for rafter spacings from 400 to 600 mm centres. With two spring clips, the lap vent is easy to install. Simply position it with the clips facing towards you and insert the pointed edge in between the felt pieces and push the lap vent downwards, ensuring the clips hook onto the edge of the lower felt lap. Lap vents should be fitted on both sides of the roof space to provide cross-flow ventilation. We recommend installing the lap vent into each alternate rafter space at low level. If further ventilation is still needed, the lap vents can be installed into every rafter space at low level or into the lap joints at higher level. The lap vents are available in bags of 10 via a next day delivery service. If you're a merchant or installer and would like further information, visit timloc.co.uk. Alternatively, if you're installing the lap vents into your own home, visit lap-vent.co.uk for handy information and to locate your local stockist. Thanks for watching.